We recognize that returning to school can be very stressful, and we've created the virtual toolkit. Basically, this is a practice area. It's a place for you to get comfortable with all the different new things you will need to learn for school. You'll get access to this toolkit 10 days before school starts. You'll have a chance to practice things like basic computer skills, how to join Zoom meetings, where to find your class. We'll also show you how to submit discussions and assignments so that we can alleviate the anxiety on your first day of school. Who's up for a quick tour of the virtual toolkit? So now hopefully you can see online toolkit with Moodle training. So again, Moodle is your classroom. We've got some practice activities in here for you and some practice discussions so that you can learn where the submit button is. How do you do a discussion? What does a discussion look like? All of those things are in here. So you'll see that to complete the discussion, you have to give us 100 to 150 words. And for your practice, we ask you to tell you about why you picked Willis College. We're going to ask you to complete an assessment. Again, this is really good practice for coming to school on your first day. If you can know how to navigate these basic things on day one, you're going to be able to navigate absolutely everything when you come to school. The other really cool thing about the virtual toolkit is that the staff at Willis Online will do a check-in with you. So you'll get the toolkit 10 days before. About 5 days later, you're going to get an email or a text message from our student services coordinators, and they're going to ask to see how you're doing and what's going on, and if you're having any problems, or if there's one specific area that you've really struggled with, and then they can help you. Again, we want you to be successful. We're building on your success, and we're trying to make sure that you get your end goal.